Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to live a healthier and happier life. Today, I'm going to talk about how to eat mindfully, a guide to savoring your food and feeling satisfied. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating is a way of eating that involves paying attention to your food, your body, and your emotions. It's not about following strict rules or diets, but rather about enjoying your food and listening to your hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating can help you improve your digestion, reduce overeating, enhance your senses, and increase your satisfaction with your meals. So how can you practice mindful eating? Here are some tips that you can try. Tip 1. Eat with all your senses. When you eat, try to notice the colors, shapes, textures, smells, sounds, and flavors of your food. Appreciate the beauty and variety of your food, and how it nourishes your body. You can also try to guess the ingredients or spices in your food, or imagine where it came from and how it was prepared. This can help you slow down and savor every bite. For example, let's say you're eating a slice of pizza. Instead of just biting into it and swallowing it quickly, you can take a moment to look at it and observe the different toppings, the cheese, the crust, and the sauce. You can smell the aroma of the pizza and notice how it makes you feel. You can listen to the sound of the pizza as you bite into it and chew it. You can taste the different flavors of the pizza and how they blend together. You can feel the texture of the pizza in your mouth and how it changes as you chew it. By doing this, you're eating with all your senses and enjoying your pizza more. Tip 2. Eat without distractions. When you eat, try to avoid watching TV, checking your phone, reading, or doing other things that take your attention away from your food. Instead, focus on your food and how it makes you feel. You can also eat with others and have a conversation, but make sure to pause and pay attention to your food from time to time. This can help you avoid mindless eating and overeating. For example, let's say you're eating a salad for lunch. Instead of eating it while scrolling through social media or watching a video on your laptop, you can put away your devices and focus on your salad. You can notice how fresh and crunchy the lettuce is, how sweet and juicy the tomatoes are, how creamy and tangy the dressing is, and how satisfying the salad is. You can also check in with yourself and see how hungry or full you are, how energized or sleepy you are, how happy or stressed you are. By doing this, you're eating without distractions and being more aware of your food and yourself. Tip 3. Eat with gratitude. When you eat, try to express gratitude for your food and the people who made it possible. You can say a silent thank you, or share your appreciation with others. You can also think about the farmers, the workers, the animals, the plants, and the earth that provided your food. This can help you cultivate a positive attitude and a sense of connection with your food. For example, let's say you're eating a sandwich for dinner. Instead of taking it for granted or complaining about it, you can say a silent thank you for having food on your table. You can also share your gratitude with whoever made the sandwich for you or whoever bought the ingredients for it. You can also think about the people who grew the wheat for the bread, who raised the chicken for the meat, who harvested the lettuce for the salad, who transported the food to the store or restaurant, who cooked or prepared the food for you. You can also think about the animals who gave their lives for your food, the plants who gave their fruits for your food, and the earth who supported all life forms for your food. By doing this, you're eating with gratitude and honoring your food. Tip 4. Eat with curiosity. When you eat, try to be curious about your food and how it affects you. You can ask yourself questions like, how hungry am I? How full am I? How does this food taste? How does this food make me feel? How does this food fit into my goals? You can also experiment with different foods and see how they make you feel. This can help you learn more about yourself and your preferences. For example, let's say you're eating a bowl of cereal for breakfast. Instead of eating it out of habit or convenience, you can ask yourself some questions like, how hungry am I before eating this? How full am I after eating this? How does this cereal taste? Do I like it or not? How does this cereal make me feel? Does it give me energy or make me sleepy? How does this cereal fit into my goals? Is it nutritious or not? You can also try different kinds of cereals and see how they affect you differently. By doing this, you're eating with curiosity and discovering more about your food and yourself. Tip 5. Eat with compassion. When you eat, try to be compassionate towards yourself and others. Don't judge yourself or others for what they eat or how they eat. Don't compare yourself or others to unrealistic standards or ideals. Don't criticize yourself or others for making mistakes or having challenges. Instead, be kind, supportive, and understanding. Remember that everyone is doing their best with what they have. This can help you reduce stress and guilt around food. For example, let's say you're eating a cake for dessert. Instead of feeling guilty or ashamed for eating it, you can be compassionate towards yourself and others. You can acknowledge that you're eating the cake because you enjoy it and it makes you happy. You can also acknowledge that eating the cake is not a reflection of your worth or value as a person. You can also be compassionate towards others who are eating the cake with you or who are not eating the cake with you. You can respect their choices and preferences and not judge them for them. You can also support them if they have any struggles or difficulties with food. By doing this, you're eating with compassion and being more loving towards yourself and others. These are some of the tips that I use to practice mindful eating. I hope they help you too. Mindful eating is not something that you master overnight, but rather something that you practice over time. The more you practice mindful eating, the more benefits you will experience. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, I would appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You can also share it with someone who might benefit from it. Also, please leave a comment below and tell me your thoughts on mindful eating. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being part of my YouTube family. I appreciate you so much. Stay tuned for more videos on how to live a healthier and happier life. Until next time, stay blessed.